What's up, y'all?
Hey, love. Hey, Eliza.
Yeah, I see you lit.
Too lit. Jesus. Girl, Nicole, come with me to that. But I don't get her. Girl, come on.
You good?
I think I need to go home.
Yeah, I got you.
Let me go tell Sadie and Nicole.
You sure you get to me by yourself?
Oh, that's might take me home.
All right, let us know when you get home, girl.
I will. I will.
Sit back.
Thanks for bringing me home.
Let me help you get in the house.
Tonight was so much fun.
Yeah. Can I use the bathroom?
To the right.
Hey, yes. Yes.
What are you doing?
Girl, you know you want me. Girl, you know you want me.
Why are you doing?
Girl, be quiet.
Yes, come out and tell us about your night with Wolf. I would have asked you when we came home last night, but I figured you were asleep by then.
It's weird for her to be in her room all day.
Very weird.
She must have a hangover from last night.
Mm-hmm.
Baby, we know you had fun. You don't gotta tell us.
I had a real good night. Good morning.
Good morning, girl.
Did she come out of her room yet?
I don't think so.
Oh, good morning, yes.
Good morning. Glad to see you today.
You had you a good other night, huh? You want to go to the movies with us today?
No thanks. Hey,
Yeah.
did we do something to you? You stayed in your room all day yesterday.
What's up? I don't know what's up. Yes, child.
What's up, boy?
I saw you leaving the party with Yasmin. Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, man, what y'all got into?
What you talking about?
What you mean? What did y'all do after?
Oh, no. I just took her home. That's all.
Man, what?
Man, what you need to be worried about is these rebounds with this flat-ass ball you brought. Go ahead and make a shot. See, no.
Please, man.
Bruh, why can't I just do it? Oh, dang. I'm gonna do it. No, I can't. Oh my God. I need to do it though. I need to. F it. I'm gonna just do it. I can't. Oh my gosh. Just get it together. Get yourself together. Okay, I'm gonna do it. Just do it. Alright. Okay, what I'm gonna say. Okay. That's sounds good. All right. I just hope they believe me. I really do. Okay. I'm gonna send it. Damn. It's done. Oh my gosh. I hope they believe me.
Girl, that movie was good.
It was alright.
Girl, you never satisfied.
It just wasn't a good movie.
Right.
Could've watched it on Netflix.
Oh my gosh. What? Look at Yasmin's tweet. What is this? Oh. Your favorite student athlete is not what he's cut out to be. He's not the sweet, nice guy you think he is. Wolf is a rapist. What the We need to get home right now. What? That's probably why she been acting like this.
Bro, Yasmin just lied on your name.
What you mean lied on my name?
Check the latest tweet. You good?
Man, that girl lying. She was drunk at the party last night, and all that, she asked if I could take her home. That's all I did. I ain't even went in this girl crib, cause you gotta believe me.
I do, man. You ain't even that type of person. She just want attention.
But listen, I got a date with a chick later on. What if she see that?
From the looks of
Then
the
what?
tweets, I don't think she'll care.
Man, that job crazy. I hope she don't see that job.
Yeah, man.
Come in.
Elijah Wolf raped you?
Yes. Basketball athlete Elijah Wolf.
Don't cry, Jess. We got your back.
I'm so shocked all of this happened. Y'all were just having a good time at the party, yes.
So he took advantage of me.
How did that all happen?
He helped me in the house. And then he asked if he could use the bathroom. After he used the bathroom, next thing I know, he was on top of me.
Wow.
Don't cry, yes. Like I said, we got your back, girl.
His basketball career gonna be over quick.
Nobody believes me. Everybody that's in the comments is on his side. Nobody believes me. That's why I didn't even want to talk about the situation.
Yes, we believe you. We're here for you every step of the way.
I'm just happy you said something. This probably happened to somebody else.
Every time I close my eyes, I just see him on top of me. He was so aggressive. The way he looked at me was just, ugh. I know I was drunk, but I'm sure I screamed, "Stop!"
People that see you do anything for clout. Girl, you of all people. Wolf could have any girl on this campus and you think he wants you? Really, Yasmin, delete this tweet. You really just seeking attention. Take this tweet down. Girl, please. Wolf has a girlfriend. Girl, nobody believes you. Take this down. Stop throwing dirt on people's names. What's up?
What are you doing?
Be quiet. Just lay down.
Let me go!